Hi, I'm Darren from Expression Products, and today we're going to be installing switch plates. Okay, first what we want to do is to remove any trim or fascia that's on the switch or socket. Then what we need to do is remove the two screws that hold the switch or socket in place. We then take the switch plate and remove the protective film from the front surface. The next step is to pass the switch plate diagonally over the switch. Now we need to replace the two screws that hold the switch in place. Before tightening the two screws, we need to make sure that the switch and switch plate are both level. Once you are happy with the position of the switch and switch plate, tighten the two screws. Replace any trim that might have been on the switch, and the job is done. These switch plates are available in 8 different colours. There are 9 different styles to choose from, and are available for both single and double sockets. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.